Hi and welcome. Today we will learn how to make a deadly lava floor, which kill users when they step on it. Okay, let's start. Scale spawn location bigger. Add new block part and scale it up. Now we will make highlight edge for blocks. Duplicate. Move and scale it to fit the edge. Set color to green. And neon material. Cool, now duplicate it and move to the spawn location. Remember to anchor them. Excellent. Next, we will make lava platform on the ground. Duplicate part. Shape it like this. Name it lava. Then set material neon. Set color to orange, so it looks dangerous. Now, we need a bridge to jump on. Cool, let's test. Oh, need to enable anchor. Rename it to bridge. Then enable anchor. It's hard to jump on bridge, so I moved the bridge closer. Perfect. Now time to add magic script to our lava. Select lava, then click little plus button. Add script. Remove print line. First declare variable reference to this part. Write a function name. Kill. We just temporarily leave the function empty. Next, we need to detect whether player jump on lava. This is the code that fire an event name touched. Whenever others collide with it, it will call the kill function when the event fired. To prove our logic is true, we will write a simple print line to the output window first. Let test. Oops, we are not jump yet, but the print log appeared. The reason is the lava are colliding with others right now. So I deleted the ground and adjust the size of lava, so no more collided with others. Cool, let's check it out. Since ground has just removed some platforms and lava falling down. Simple. Let's anchor them. Done. Let's test. Cool, we got the message when stand on lava. Now, we will fill the logic for kill function. Let's remove the print line. The kill function need to detect what object need to be kill. Fortunately our lava touched event knew who has just touched it. And if we type any parameter in the middle of two parentheses like this, the function will use as input. And our mission is simple. Kill it. First, we need to get parent of it. Then check if it is human. If it is humanoid, it must have the child named Humanoic. If we found it, then set it health to 0. Done. Simple and beautiful code. Now, time to test the code. Yeah, I dead whenever falling to lava. Perfect. I believe you guys can do this like me. Let's try and let me know the result, guys. If you want more challenge, you also can add script to make bridge disappear after few seconds, then appear again. I did a video tutorial about that, you can watch for more details. Thank you for watching, see you on the next video.